and I was sent this 90-degree rotating flashlight to review and try out for you guys. I love this little light. It is so bright and full of features. And the best thing about it is it's rechargeable. So it does come with a charging cable right here, and then the charger itself is underneath the clip. You just have to unscrew the bottom a little bit to expose the charger, and that doesn't come off. It just stops, which is nice. So there is the charging port. Once you're done charging, you can close this back up just like that. And there are two different ways to activate the flashlight. So the first one is clicking the power button back here twice, which will turn on the flashlight itself. Just tap it once it's on to go through the 3 brightness modes. And then if you want it to be 90 degrees, you just grab the head here and rotate it down. Then you have a 90-degree flashlight. You can clip it onto yourself while you're out walking around. Flip it back up. You hold the power button down to turn it off. There are lights on the side as well. You just need to click the power button 3 times to turn on those lights. And to cycle through this, you have a bright light like that. There's a flashing light, a UV light. So if you're into that kind of thing, you want to see things under a black light, you have that feature as well. There's a red light, and then a red blinking light, which typically signals you need help. There's another light right there. And then a couple of flashing red lights, which could also signal an emergency or something like that if you're on the side of the road to get people's attention. Then back to the regular one, and then just hold the power button to turn it off. This is such a feature-packed little flashlight. I love it. I love carrying it around, keeping it in my car with me just for emergencies or things like that. I highly, highly recommend this.